Friends, always remember this lesson of life. Befriend and love those who know how to live. Hate those who know how to forget, and be angry with those who know how to celebrate. I often sit on the ground because I like my time. I have learned from the sea how to live quietly and stay in one's own waves. It is not that there is no fault in me, but I tell the truth that there is no delusion in me. Who says that we don't tell lies? You ask for the welfare once and see. I bought a watch and tied it on my hand. This time is behind me. I thought I would build a house and sit in peace, but the needs of the house made me a traveler. When I started earning money, I realized that my hobbies were fulfilled with the money of my parents, but with my own money, only my needs were fulfilled. In the race of life, white color fades with time. Laughing and playing life also becomes normal. How far we've gone, we've lost ourselves. We've found ourselves. People say we smile a lot and we're tired, hiding our pain. Never make yourself addicted to a person in life, because a person is very selfish when he likes you. So he forgets you're evil, and when he hates you, he forgets you're good. Friends, a relationship is like an innocent bird. If you hold it hard, it will die. If you hold it gently, it will rise. The beauty of a relationship is in being patient with each other. Always remember that everyone has their own reasons. Therefore, if the relationship is to be maintained, then one has to forget the mistakes of others and move forward. Do not count someone's mistakes. If God is sitting, then do not count. That's how we talk about keeping the heart clean. We didn't know that the price is the air of faces. And always remember that if you hurt someone, you will also have to face troubles. If you become a friend, be careful, because it takes a little time to change its color.